Welcome to the Accommodated Learning Center. In this tutorial, we will show you how to book your exams using Clockwork, our exam booking system. This tutorial will take you through 7 simple steps on how to book your exam correctly. Please note all exams must be booked at least 7 days in advance, and you must sign the Accommodated Learning Center policy in order to access Clockwork. Before you start the booking process, here are the key pieces of information you need: course name and course code, date and start time of the exam, duration of the exam, as well as the format of the exam. First, you will need to go to the Accommodated Learning Center website. Click on the Clockwork icon or the link below the icon. This is the starting point of the booking process. Please click on Schedule a Test, Midterm, or Quiz. Please use your normal University of Lethbridge login. Once you have logged in, you will be able to start the booking process. Please follow these 7 simple steps to book all your quizzes, exams, midterms, and finals. Step 1. Select course. This is where you will choose the course you're going to be writing your quiz or exam in. The drop-down menu will include all courses that you are registered in. Click Next once you have the course selected to proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Class test date and time. For date of class test, if you have a paper-based exam, please put in the date that your instructor has provided as the test date. If you have a Moodle exam, please choose a date that you want to write the exam on. This must be during the window that the exam is open for. Please note, Moodle exams must be scheduled to begin between 8:30 a.m. and end no later than 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. For time of class test, please type in the start time of your exam. Please do not use the Clockwork icon to select your time. For example, please type in 9:25 a.m. if your class starts at 9:25 a.m. Do not type in 9:30 a.m. Paper-based exams must be written at the same time as the rest of the class. Moodle exams must be written within the office hours starting as early as 8:30 a.m., ending no later than 4:30 p.m. For class test duration, please input the original duration of the exam. You will not add any time accommodations here. The duration of the exam would be given to you by your professor. Once you have entered the exam test date, time, and duration, click Next to proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Confirm professor info. In this window, you will notice that your professor's name and email populates automatically. You do not have to do anything with this information other than to review it. Click Next to proceed to Step 4. Step 4. Choose accommodations. This step will include all the accommodations that you receive. You can select which accommodations you would like to receive for your exam. You can either choose all accommodations by clicking Check All, or select which individual accommodations you require for this exam. Once completed, click Next to proceed to Step 5. Step 5. Additional requirements. In this step, please indicate the format of the exam you will be writing. The format of your exam will be given to you by your professor. Then click Next to proceed to Step 6. Step 6. Select your test time. In this window, you can review the date, start time, and end time of your exam. If everything is correct, click Next to proceed to Step 7. Step 7. Confirm and complete. This step will give you an overview of all the information you have entered in the previous steps. It is important for you to review this information to ensure it is correct. Please ensure that you have checked the button to acknowledge that everything is correct. If there is anything that you need to correct, you can click on the previous button to go back to the previous steps. If no changes are needed and everything is correct, click Finish to complete your booking. Congratulations, you have now booked your exam. It is important to note, you will receive an email confirmation of your booking once you have completed all 7 steps. If you notice an error or need to make a change to your booking, you must contact our exam coordinator to make the changes. You can also go to the My Upcoming Events tab to view all booked exams. All booked upcoming exams will show up in this area. It is important to check this regularly to ensure you have booked your exams. Please note we have a 7-day exam booking deadline, and please be aware each semester has a final exam booking deadline, which can be found on the ALC policy form. We encourage you to frequently check your University of Lethbridge email address, as we will send out important reminders, information, and/or changes that you need to be aware of. If you have any questions about the booking process or any changes that you need to make to your exam booking, please contact the exam coordinator at exam.accommodations@uleth.ca. You can find this video on the Accommodated Learning Center website, as well as a PDF version of the exam booking manual. Thank you for watching.